Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I'm Melisandi Telambanua. Before I explain something in this time, I'm very sorry before for the mistake in make the mid test video last week, and I'm very grateful to Miss who still give us the opportunity to make videos again. And in this time, I will explain about descriptive text. Alright, I believe that almost of all already know what is descriptive text. And now I will explain more about descriptive text. For the first, I will explain what is the definition of descriptive text. The definition of descriptive text is a text that describes about person, place, and things. And what is the purpose of descriptive text? The purpose of descriptive text is to give clear information about object which will be described. For example, we will describe place, for example, and in this case, we will explain more about the place, so the reader or the listener can get information about the descriptive text. Next, there are three characteristics of descriptive text. First is in descriptive text we use simple present tense. For example, when you want to describe your bedroom, for example, you can use the sentence, the color of my bedroom is blue. The second is using adjective. The adjective of to make a descriptive text, for example, big, small, colorful, and etc. And the last is using relating verb. There are some example of relating verb. First is, have, seem, appear, and etc. And there are two generic structure of descriptive text. For the first is identification. In identification, when we describe something, we will give the general information about the object which will be to describe. For example, we describe about things. For example, dog. Nah, when we describe about dog, we in identification we give the general information. For example, I have a dog. I gave him the name is Scooby, for example. Nah, there is the identification about the descriptive text, or there is the general information about the things or dog that will be described. And the last is description. In description, we will describe more deeply about the object which will be described. Okay, that's all about explanation about descriptive text, and thank you.